We'll guide you through how to turn on or off safe mode on any Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So currently safe mode's off, so I'm going to show you turning it on, what it's going to do, and then how you can go and turn it off again. So when safe mode's turned on, it's going to go and disable all third-party apps. So if you're running into some type of problem, it can be a great way of diagnosing it. So let's go and get started with turning it on. I'll show you how you can turn it on with the power button and also without it. So without it, what you need to do is go and swipe up, find the option for settings, swipe across to go and find it. Then in here, you can go and scroll down, find the option for accessibility, then come in here. In accessibility, you need to go and find interaction and dexterity. Then you need to go and find assistant menu and switch it on and press allow. When you do that, you then go and get this pop-up and you can go and tap on it, use the arrow keys at the bottom to go and move. Find power off menu and you can tap there. This screen will go and open up. So to go and get into safe mode, you need to tap and hold the power off button like so, then press it again and it'll go and restart into it. Alternatively, you can try using the side button. I know some people change it to be used for other things though, so you can tap and hold it, see if that opens up. Otherwise, try holding down the volume down and power button together like so. Then what you can do is find the power off button, tap and hold, and then what you can do is you can go and tap it again. And then your phone is going to go and start restarting. So go and be patient, it shouldn't go and take too long. Shortly you should go and see the logo again, and then it's going to be starting up in safe mode. So keep waiting. You can see the device is now coming back on, so be patient while it goes and loads. Here we are, so you're going to see safe mode in the bottom left, and you're going to go and see these apps are disabled here. Also airplane mode is put on to go and stop connections, and all these apps are now grayed out. So now you can try troubleshooting if there's a problem with a certain app, if it's causing some sort of problem, you can go and remove it as well. So that's it, it's now turned on. You don't want to be in here for too long, as of course you can't really go and fully utilize your device. Also, you could do an update if you needed to here. But you can't go and fully utilize your device here because all the apps are grayed out, you haven't got connections at the moment. So when you're ready, we can then go and turn it off and remove safe mode. So to go and do that, what you can do is you can go and drag down at the top. You go and find the option for safe mode is on. What you can do is go and tap there like so, and then you can go and press turn off, and you can go and you can see here, it will go and restart and your apps will be available again. Alternatively, what you can do is go and restart it by tapping and holding the side button. Then it should go and turn to this screen. You can go and just press restart again to confirm a decision, and it then should go and turn off safe mode. Or you can use that menu there as we did before, tap on it, you can go and press the power menu, open this up and tap on restart, and then we can press restart. There it is, the device is now back on. You can go and unlock it and you'll go and see all the apps are now back available. And you can go and use it again as normal, and safe mode is no longer in the bottom left. So hopefully you've managed to go and successfully get in, solve the problem you're trying to, and then get out again. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more videos like this in the future. Feel free to go and check out the channel for more useful how-tos,